Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Jones and your student council representatives with your morning announcements.
Today is Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your best pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
There are no birthdays today at Orchard Hollow. February is recognized as Black History Month. Black History Month was created to focus attention on the contributions of African Americans to the United States. It honors all Black people from all periods of U.S. history, from the enslaved people first brought over from Africa in the early 17th century to African Americans living in the United States today. Each school day, we will be recognizing an African American and his or her accomplishments. Today, we recognize Bessie Coleman. Bessie Coleman was the first African American woman to obtain an international pilot's license, soaring to new heights that Black people in the United States had never reached before. But as a Black woman in the 1920s, she faced many obstacles because of her race and gender. She said that the air is the only place free from prejudice. Today we honor Bessie Coleman.
This is Mrs. Jones with your joke of the day. What falls in winter but never gets hurt? Snow. Today is National Carrot Cake Day.
Fun fact, carrot cake was named a top 5 food of the 1970s. Just a reminder that we are on our Remote Wednesday schedule today. That means we will begin our day promptly at 8:45 with morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:15 is our literacy block. 10:15 to 10:30 we'll have a break. 10:30 to 11:30 is your math block. And 11:30 to 11:45 is closing meeting. We hope you all get out in the snow today and have some fun, just like our friend the panda here. Get out there in the snow and have some fun. Make it a great day, Huskies.